So we're here in Raleigh on a house fire. We got a call from the agent requesting for us to come out and secure the home, board it up so that nobody can get in the home and no further damage can be done to the property. It's a pretty severe fire. This is certainly on the level of a large loss. More than likely we'll take the house down to the studs. Very little of what's inside the home is salvageable. Contents of the home are mainly non-salvageable. Some are salvageable. Some of the building itself can be salvaged, but for the most part, taking it down to the studs, taking off the roof, down to the bare bones of the structure before having to put it back up. Beyond this, you really have to build a whole new home. So the girls behind me are packing up the contents of the home, anything that can be saved. We pack up into boxes, take it to a facility off-site where it can be cleaned, and then put it in a facility where we store it until the home is rebuilt and back to like new condition. It should take some time. I would say on the order of months rather than weeks. The first step should always be to get us involved as soon as possible. You know, in a fire like this, smoke is considered very corrosive and it really degrades anything that's in the home. So the sooner that we're able to get in there, start this process, begin, boxing up and cleaning those items, the more we'll be able to save. The longer that items sit in those conditions inside the home, the less likely you're actually able to save those items. You get out here and unfortunately you have to deal with the immediate heartbreak and the difficulty that the homeowner faces when they realize that everything that they own may be gone. But putting it back together and seeing that final product and taking people from this point in the process all the way to that point where they're able to get back in, and fortunately for us, we get to be a part of that. It's what we do and it's why we do it.